Well, India and Israel elevated their long-standing ties to a special strategic partnership anchored in deep trust, shared democratic values and human sensitivities. This has come as Prime Minister Narendra Modi concluded his two-day visit to Israel, marking a significant step forward in bilateral relations with 27 outcomes. Many focused on frontier technologies such as artificial intelligence. Here's more in this report.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi concluded his two-day visit to Israel, marking a significant step forward in bilateral relations. On the second day of the visit, Prime Minister Modi held delegation-level talks with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. Both leaders discussed the entire range of bilateral relationship along with regional and global interest. Following the talks, India and Israel signed 27 outcomes, strengthening ties across multiple sectors. The partnership span emerging and strategic domains including artificial intelligence, quantum technologies and critical minerals, signaling a major push towards future-ready collaboration.
टेक्नोलॉजी हमारी भावी साझेदारी का केंद्र है। आज हमने क्रिटिकल एंड इमर्जिंग टेक्नोलॉजी पार्टनरशिप स्थापित करने का निर्णय लिया है। इससे एआई, क्वांटम और क्रिटिकल मिनरल्स जैसे क्षेत्रों में सहयोग को नई गति मिलेगी।
Addressing global concerns, Prime Minister Modi reiterated India's support for the Gaza peace plan, describing it as a pathway towards lasting stability. He emphasized India's commitment to dialogue and cooperation with all stakeholders to promote peace in the region.
भारत की सोच स्पष्ट है। Humanity must never become a victim of conflict. गाजा पीस प्लान से शांति का एक रास्ता बना है। भारत ने इन प्रयासों का पूर्ण समर्थन किया है। भविष्य में भी हम सभी देशों के साथ संवाद और सहयोग जारी रखेंगे।
Prime Minister Modi also highlighted progress on the India-Middle East-Europe Economic Corridor and the I2U2 grouping to enhance regional connectivity. Reaffirming a shared resolve, India and Israel declared a united stand against terrorism, pledging continued joint efforts to combat terror and its supporters.
भारत और इजराइल पूरी तरह से स्पष्ट है कि आतंकवाद का दुनिया में कोई स्थान नहीं है। किसी भी रूप में, किसी भी अभिव्यक्ति में आतंकवाद को स्वीकार नहीं किया जा सकता। हम कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर आतंकवाद और उनके समर्थकों का विरोध करते रहे हैं और आगे भी करते रहेंगे।
Before concluding his visit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacted with prominent members of the Indian Jewish community in Jerusalem, reinforcing strong people-to-people ties. Earlier, Prime Minister Modi held talks with Israeli President Isaac Herzog at the presidential residence. They discussed diverse aspects of the India-Israel friendship. Both leaders explored avenues to further enhance cooperation in education, startups, innovation, tech and connectivity. The two leaders also planted a tree under Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam initiative. During the visit, Prime Minister Modi also paid tribute at Yad Vashem, the World Holocaust Remembrance Center. Accompanied by Prime Minister Netanyahu, he visited the Book of Names Hall and participated in a memorial ceremony, laying a wreath in honor of Holocaust victims.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Israel visit was a historic one. From the memorable speech in the Knesset to the elevation of ties to special strategic partnership, the visit capitalizes, builds upon the enduring bonds of trust and friendship and provides a roadmap for an innovation-led future. With camera person Jay Shankar, Shubhendu Ghosh for DD India in Jerusalem.